Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Mr. Abd Albakry. Today we are going to solve the model test for midterm exam 2016. The first question is complete the intersection between our positive and the closed interval -1 and 3. In order to find the exact interval for this, we should draw the number line and complete it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to positive infinity, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 to negative infinity. So and then R positive, the interval starting from 0 to infinity, and 0 is open because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So intersection with the closed interval -1, -1. So this is the interval, -1 closed, and 3 is closed also. 0 is closed. Join, and this will be the area of intersection. This will be the area of intersection between the two sets. This is the area. This area is the intersection area between the two intervals. So the intersection area is 0 and 3, 0, 3, and 3 is closed because 3 exists in the first and the second interval, and -1, 0 and 0 is opened because it did not exist in the first but exists in the second, so it will not exist in the intersection interval. Hope it will be clear. And the next question is the next question is the square root of 16 equals the cube root of what? So we first find the square root of 16 equals 4. Then in order to find what is the number that its cube is 4, so this number is which is cube is 4 cube, which is 4 times 4 is 64. 64 times 4 equals 16. Carry one up, so 4 times 6. Sorry, I'm so sorry for this. So the number is 4 cubed means 16 times 4, so 4 times 6 is 24. Carry up 2, 1 times 4 is 4 times 4 plus 1 is 6, so it will be 64. So the answer is 64. So the answer is 64. So the next question is the intersection between q, which is the rational number, and q dash which is the irrational number. So there is no intersection, there is no real intersection between q and q dash, because this is q and this is q dash, and there is no intersection between them to give the set of real numbers. So the intersection is 5. The intersection between the two sets is 5. The next question is number D. So this number D says if x equals square root of 3 plus 1 and y equals square root of 3 minus 1, then find the value of x minus y. So x equals, so x minus y equals, x is square root of 3 plus 1 minus the next the followed expression after the negative should be put into practice. So x equal y equals square root of 3 minus 1 equals square root of 3 plus 1. So negative distributed to the bracket, so negative times positive is negative. Square root of 3 negative times negative is positive 1 equals, so square root of 3 is the additive inverse of negative square root of 3, so they cancel each other, and 1 plus 1 equals 2, so the answer is 2. Another question. In order to make the denominator as an integer, so 6 over square root of 3, we multiply both the numerator and denominator and square root of 3, which is the conjugate number of square root of 3, equals 6 times square root of 3 will be 6 square root of 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3, it will be 3, and simplify 6 divided 3 is 2 square root of 3. So the answer is 2 square root of 3. So this is the answer of this. Another question, number F. So as we have studied before, 2 cube root of 5 all power 3. So as we know before that the power will be distributed in multiplication, so it will be 2 power 3 times cube root of 3 all power 3 equals 2 power 3 to 8, and power 3 will cancel the cube root of, so there will be times 3, and 8 times 3 is 24, so the answer is 24. Thank you so much for now, and see you next video.